This is Coach Tony Novak here to walk through the real life decisions that make or break the game for small business owners. Today's topic is the IRS is not okay. I borrowed this phrase from a common phrase used among tax pros lately, and it's increasing rapidly. IRS has significant problems. Most of us trace it back to the Doge cuts, uh, voluntary and forced exodus of their experienced people, and bringing on people who never expected to be handling taxpayer accounts. Maybe they were in HR or some other field and brought in to actually answer the phone and attempt to solve problems. It's not going well. And increasingly, we're noticing that it is a threat to ordinary taxpayers and particularly business owners and anyone with a more complicated tax situation. I'm recording this today because I had a scheduled meeting in the middle of an audit with a revenue officer, and it took a substantial amount of work to get ready for the meeting. We had the time scheduled, and I had pre-faxed information before the meeting, called at the time of the meeting, no show, no response. I don't know what's going on. The fact is that these officers, and I'm not blaming the officer, they're overworked, their caseloads are too high, but client is very nervous because there's a pattern of wage levies. In other words, taking your paycheck. And that's a pretty serious consequence for a working person. So what does it all mean? What it means is that we have to change the strategies, change the discussion, change the thinking. Things are not working out the way they're supposed to. They're not working out the way we expect to. We have to take different and sometimes dramatic responses in order to protect ourselves, move forward, and thrive in our financial lives and our businesses. So that's the focus of my client conversations lately. And if you're involved with IRS, I suggest that it's valuable to have a conversation along those lines to shift your thinking from what you're afraid of to talk about what will actually work. So I'd love to continue this discussion one-on-one. I'm easy to reach online. Find me at taxproblems.cpa or contact me through social media, and I'm happy to set up a time to talk. I'll be back tomorrow with another edition of Owner's Playbook.